Rice Krispie pumpkin. Ingredients we need are marshmallow, these kind of shapes of candy, butter, food coloring, and Rice Krispie cereal. First, you will need to put 1 spoon of butter and some marshmallows. And then put it in the microwave for 40 seconds. I just got it out of the microwave. It's so melted. Now we need to make the pumpkins orange. I don't have orange, so I mixed light green and red. I mixed red and green. It made orange. Now I'm going to put the Rice Krispie into this. You need to first dip your hands in some water so it doesn't stick, and then you need to roll it. For the stem, I'm going to cut these can-shaped candy and then stick them on top of the pumpkins. We're going to do the bumps of the pumpkin. Okay, pizza. Do it very gently, not so hardly. For the leaves, you can also put like Skittles or like Smarties or M&Ms, but I don't have those. So I got green icing to put on. See? Next one, I'm going to put the eyes, nose, and mouth. All done. Look how adorable they are. It's so easy to make it. You guys also do it. This time I'm going to please like and subscribe and share and comment my video. Goodbye and watch my video every day. And don't forget to subscribe it.